Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can use a Delta Streamer to ingest data from Apache Pulsar in near real time. We'll ingest data from Pulsar topic real time into Minayo buckets. So without wasting any further of your time, let's begin straight into lab section. All right, so the first step, we need to spin up the stack using Docker. So let's go ahead and spin this up very quickly. All right, so I'm gonna spin up Pulsar, and I can do that by docker run -it port 6650 and 8080. I'm gonna expose these two ports, and I'm gonna be using the Pulsar 3.2.3 image, okay? All right, let's go. Paste this one in the terminal, and my Pulsar is now up and running. That's great. Now I have a Docker Compose file which will spin up our Minayo, which will be used as an object store to store our Hudi data, right? All right, so Docker Compose up --build -d, and this will start the containers running in the background. Now that our containers are up and running, we can publish some sample messages on a Pulsar topic. Let's leverage a Python library called pyavro. All right. So coming to the terminal, simple ec pip3 install or pip install avro, right? And the library has now been installed. Now I have a sample script which is used to publish data to Pulsar topic. We're gonna publish data to a topic called try. This is the server URL, localhost 6650. And we provide the Avro schema. This is the schema that we are gonna be using. Again, just some sample mock data. Now, simply come to terminal and run the Python file, python3 sendmessage.py. As you can see, the messages were published. We'll publish some more messages here. Great, so now we have some sample messages in the Pulsar topic, okay? Now, let's learn the Delta Streamer on how to ingest data from this Pulsar topic. All right, so now let's review the Delta Streamer code. Should be straightforward. Spark submit, we provide the class as ord.apache.hudi.utility.streamer, Hudi streamer. Packages, we need a couple of packages, the Hudi Spark 3.4 bundle package because I'm using Spark 3.4. We need io.streamnative.connector :pulsar -spark -connector _2.12 3.1.4. That's the one that we need. And then we need the AWS Hadoop package, which is for Minayo, so that we can store the data on our Minayo buckets. We provide the repository as Maven 2, okay? We provide the configuration through the Spark config property. This is where we will define our Minayo access, secret, and endpoint, as you can see over here. Let me come here. Yeah, we use the Hudi Slim utility bundle jar. Straightforward, again, pretty simple. Then this is the path to our warehouse. There's a bucket called warehouse on Minayo, and we're gonna store all the data inside the folder Pulsar. Table type copy on write, it's gonna operate in upsert. The minimum sync interval is 20, which means after every 20 seconds, the streamer will sync the data. And then just some default, configuration such as record key, primary key, the topic on which we're gonna read the data from, right? The Pulsar URL endpoint, offset strategy is set to latest. And then important thing is you need to provide the schema, right? I'm providing the schema through gh_schema.avse. It's an Avro file. So if where is that? Over here. Again, this is just a schema for the data, right? So now you have this, you can simply copy this. Okay. Before I run it, let's open up Chrome and head over to localhost 9000. You see this Minayo bucket. I do not have any data over here. So now we'll submit the command on my terminal. So I just did Spark submit, and now my Hudi streamer is running, and it will ingest data from Pulsar topic. At the same time, what I'll do is I'll just publish some more messages. As you can see, python3 sendmessages.py, and the streamer is now operating in a continuous mode. So if we head over to Minayo bucket and refresh, we see Pulsar, we see the Hudi folder, and very soon we should see the data coming into our Minayo buckets from Pulsar topic. So let's refresh to see. There you go. That's our Parquet base file, as you can see over here. So easy, right? I hope you have enjoyed. I like to make things easy for people. I don't want to make it any complicated. It's literally that simple. We can ingest data from Pulsar topic into Hoodie transaction data lake in near real time using Hoodie Streamer. Code, exercise, and labs are on my GitHub as usual. If you enjoyed, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.